Right, hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. Um, right, the purpose of this video, as you would have seen from the title, is to look at what I'm going to build next year. Now, you may think it's a little bit ahead of myself planning next year, but actually I do plan quite a long time ahead. I have a spreadsheet of all the kits that I have in my stash, and I have estimates of how long it would take to build each kit. Um, and the current list, it's I can't remember what the number of kits it is, but I think I estimated that it would take 9 years to complete all the kits in the stash. Yeah, so the next year I'm going to change tack. This year we've concentrated on the 79th Armoured Brigade, and that's been great fun. I've had some great fun with building kits relating to that. Still, as we speak, I still have the Buffalo sort of thing to complete, and I still have a number of kits up here which are related to that project. Um, but next year I'm going to change tack, and I'm going to start building some aircraft. And I have, so first of all, there's the 148th Avro Lancaster Mark 1, Lancaster B. It's 148th. I think I said earlier, I think I said 132nd, but it's actually 148th. The space on the bench is going to be needed for this one. This is the 124th Spitfire. Yeah, so I've got that one. The other one I mentioned was this Sopwith 1.5 Strutter comic fighter. I don't know what that is. I mean, somebody could tell me. It's a Roden kit, 132nd. And I just quite like the artwork on this box, to be honest. But there's that one. Hold on. Right, so we've got two Airfix kits. First of all is the Airfix Supermarine Spitfire TR9. Sorry this is out of focus, but I'm sort of dragging them across and not moving my camera particularly. So there's that. The other one that is this year's club edition, the 172nd Messerschmitt ME410A3. I quite like the idea of doing it in the fighter interception unit, whatever that is. It's obviously it's a captured one, so I quite like the idea of doing that one as well. Bear with me. Right, so the other thing was the Sopwith Camel. This is 132nd. This was another one that I was thinking, if I do this I can practice rigging. This is by Hobbycraft. Very basic kit. Looks like the decals are a bit crap and all, but anyway we can work around that. It's only decals after all. Again, another kit where I can sort of practice doing the rigging. And the other one I mentioned was this Border Models Avro Lancaster nose kit. God, I've had these quite a while. There's all dust all over them. So I was thinking of doing this one. It's the Phantom of the Ruhr. God, it's all the dust off the boxes. So possibly get on and do that one. However, I do have this one, and this is the Hong Kong Models version. It's a different nose art. This one I've actually sort of started, and I've got bits in progress here, and this is actually I lost the mojo on this one and it got put on the shelf, but I think I can probably maybe pick this one up and get it finished. So yeah, be interesting to see what comes. But next year, as I say, definitely going to be doing some aircraft kits and hopefully clear the lot that I've just shown you now. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm planning to do next year. Now you've seen them, why don't you put a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and all the rest of it, and put in the comments which kit you would like to see built for next year first, and then we'll go through them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.